Let's keep going. I'm going to also access another method. Okay, this time around property. Let me access another property using the same color, this color. What I'm going to do right now is just say color dot length. Good. Now this dot length is a property, is a string property. Okay. It will count the number of characters, okay, in this string. Okay, good. If there's a space, if there's a space there, it will count the space as well. Okay, good. Then we save. We are going to run it now. Let's see what we get. Go to HTML, then you run it. You see, you get 3. That's the number of characters, okay, in it. Then, having done this, sorry, we come back here. Okay, another method we are going to assess quickly, or rather, method, this time around method. Remember that the difference between method and the property here is the open and close the parentheses, okay? So whenever you see any property that has open and open and close the parentheses, you know that it's a method, okay? All right. Now let's assess another method. This time around, let's assess car arts. Then you put parentheses. Now when you access here, this car art, what it's going to do for you is that it's going to count, it's going to show you, based on the value you put here, it's going to display the character, okay, that is in that particular number. Let me explain. Now this is red. And this red, the counting starts from 0, index 0, then 1, 2. Okay, 0, index 1, 2. 0, 1, and 2. So if I put 1 in this car art, it will display E because the counting starts from 0. You get that? Okay, let's try it. You say 1. Then we save. Then we run it. You see that? Okay. Let's go back. So that is it. If we put 2, you guess it. We are going to get D. Okay. As we move on in programming, deep detailed programming, you begin to understand why all these things are important. Okay. But just try to learn it very well. Practice it, learn it, and follow it. Okay, let's put 2. Let's check what we'll get. You don't share in Chrome? Let's see. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's run it. Let's see what we'll get. Launching Chrome, you see D. So that is car arts. I hope you get it. Okay, we continue. I'm going to use another method again. Here is replace. Okay, this is used to replace a string. Okay, a particular word in a string. Let me create another variable to make you understand this. Let's say we have a variable string, variable. Let's say hello equals to You say string, you say how are you doing, how are you doing, okay. Then let's say you want to change this doing, okay. You want to change the doing to another thing, maybe how are you doing, how are you there, something like that. You want to change this doing to there. How are you going to do it? We are going to use this replace. Then inside this replace you put a doing first, because that is what you want to change. Then you put there last. That's what you are changing it with, okay. So when you are done with this, oh sorry my dear, I'm using color, so I'm going to change, because I created a new variable. I'm going to change to hello variable. Then this hello variable as well. Remember, it's very, very important, because you are setting the value, the content of this hello. Do you get that? Good. So with this hello variable, you access the method, string method, okay. Then you use this method replace doing to there. Do you get that? Very good. Now let's quickly run it and see what we get. Before we run it, we have to also come to here. Let me copy this, put it inside this document right, so that it will run the right variable to get us the right result, okay. So we go back to HTML page, and then we'll run it. Go to run, launching Chrome. You see how are you there? So that is how it works, okay. Thank you so much. So let's continue. Okay, and now you've seen that we can replace this with this. Okay, then the next property, or rather method, I want us to look at right now is bold. In case, let's say you want to bold this how are you doing, or rather how are you doing. Let's remove replace here. They want to bold how are you doing, just say hello dot bold. Okay, good. Then you close the parentheses, you close it with semicolon. Then this will be bold. It will be bolded if you run it. Okay, let's try it and see. You save, go back to HTML page, then you run it. You see it is bolded. You can italicize it, make it to be italics. So how can you do that? Go to this place, then put italics. Do you get that? Then you save, you run it. You see italicized. So that's it. Thank you so much.